So far with these mates, we have been using the actual geometry of the parts, but you can also use reference geometry. Let's insert another part here, pop it in right about there. So these are duplicates of each other, but this works even if they aren't. But we can, on this piece here, if we look at the tree, we can see these original planes. Let's turn on plane visibility. Then we can turn on the top and the right plane. So since these are duplicates, since I turned the planes on one part, it turns on the other. If you wanted to add in another, if they weren't duplicates, you would have to also select the other geometry, and you could use the planes that this one was constructed in. For this technique, you will want, since I'm trying to align it in two directions, both vertical and horizontal, I would want my origin to be in the middle of my part, which we can see here. So I have my origin in the middle of the part right there. These planes are getting in the way. Let's hide those. That point is on my origin, right in the middle. Turn planes back on. Go to assembly. Oop. So if you have a sketch open on one of your parts, it goes into rollback mode on the assembly. So we can just exit out of this. Now when we pop back into assembly, do a quick rebuild, and no problems. So what I want to show you is we can take this plane and this plane, and we can make those coincident. This plane and this plane can be coincident. And then for this last one, we can just say this face and this face. Instead of coincident, let's say we want to make it a distance of 0.125 inch. Now we can hide the planes temporarily with this right here. We can see now that that is locked in there, and it's locked rotationally as well because we are locked into the plane on this bottom part, which is locked in place. And then let's say that this dimension changed. In the tree here, there will be a little mates drop down. We can then click this distance and do edit feature. Let's say that we wanted to make it 0.1875. And we see it updates. And hit check. Now that is fully mated and positioned in this assembly.